Discovery is one of the most important phases of your divorce because that's where your attorney is going to discover all of the information that they need to help you to make a good decision. And so it is important and you want to pursue it even if it is costly. So I want to give you some good ways to keep your costs down, effective ways that we have found to help the clients in saving money when pursuing discovery. Give your attorney your wish list. The wish list is a roadmap of what your goals will be, and that will help to save time and money. Using the paralegals and the other legal support staff will help to save a lot of money for your case, and they are experts in their field as well, and so you should trust them and start with giving the information or asking the questions of your paralegals first. The paralegals know what items they should not discuss with you and should pass along to the attorneys, and then they know the items that they can take care of because they've handled it a million times before. So paralegals are underutilized assets for you in your case that'll help to save you money and time. Organize your thoughts and questions. Don't just call with, anytime a thought pops up into your head. Wait until you have several questions and several ideas that you want to pass by your attorney before you actually contact them. When you are responding to the discovery, you'll be asked for a lot of documents, maybe reams of documents. So ask your attorney how many copies you need. You might need a copy for them, a copy for the opposing attorney, a copy for the court, a copy for a guardian ad litem at times. So when you're producing your documents in your discovery, make the copies yourself. That will save you money. Your attorney's going to need a timeline so they can understand the sequences of when things happened. It'll be easier for them to remember as well if they have a timeline. If you prepare the timeline for them with important dates and information about or when approximately something happened, that will be very helpful and save your attorney a lot of time in the preparation of your case. The attorneys use forms, and their paralegal staff use forms to help them to organize aspects of your case. These forms are important for you to use, although when you get them you might be overwhelmed by the length of the document. Maybe sometimes it's 20, 30 pages long. Try to read the whole thing first and then go back and try to fill in the details. Some of it might apply to you and some of it might not apply. So use the forms as much as you can. Clients tend to ask the same questions over and over again. So ask your attorney if you can record the conversation. Then you can listen to their answers over and over again until you understand it. So that's a cost-saving benefit because that's one less time you'll be asking your attorney the same question over and over again. The best way to save the most amount of money is to settle your case. Well, how do you settle your case? You're going to have to compromise. And you're going to know that you're compromising because it's not going to feel good. It's not going to be something that you're actually going to want to do. You'll know you're on the right path when you start to compromise, because I've heard too many times judges say that they know that they've done a good job when they've made both parties equally miserable.